This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about proofing boxes, specifically these pizza dough proofing boxes and lids. The white plastic box is 26 inches long by 18 inches wide, and it's got a 3-inch depth on it. You can also purchase these in a 6-inch depth as well. The lids are sold separately and will work with both boxes. And you can see you get a nice fit on that lid. These are perfect for the transporting, proofing, and cooling of dough, and that lid helps you to control the temperature and humidity so you can really control your rise and proof your pizza dough. They're made from BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe. They also feature this great reinforced rim to really help you out when you're carrying them and make them nice and stable. It also helps to give you a nice secure grip when you're moving around in your space. They also have recessed bottoms down here, allowing you to stack multiple boxes up if you're using more than one at a time. And they're a must-have for any pizza truck, stand, or parlor.